Assalamualaikum. In this section, I will explain for question A, which is the legal action available to Encik Muniandi after receiving a notice of additional assessment. Encik Muniandi received Form JA on 15 December 2025 because LHDN disallowed 40,000 of travelling and entertainment expenses due to insufficient supporting document. Under Section 99 of the Income Tax Act 1967, a taxpayer who disagrees with an assessment may appeal by submitting Form Q to the Director General of Inland Revenue within 30 days. Therefore, the deadline for Encik Muniandi is 14 January 2026. Although he has the right to appeal, Section 82 requires taxpayers to keep proper records for 7 years. Since he cannot provide receipt or invoice, his appeal is unlikely to succeed. In conclusion, Encik Muniandi should submit Form Q before 14 January 2026, but without supporting evidence, the additional assessment is likely to remain.
Now, let's look at what happens if Encik Muniandi miss the appeal deadline. Under Section 100 of the Income Tax Act 1967, a taxpayer may apply for an extension of time by submitting Form N if there is a valid reason for the delay. In this case, hospitalization is considered a reasonable excuse, provided he submit medical documents together with Form N and the completed Form Q. If the Director General approve the application, his appeal can still proceed even after the original deadline. Therefore, the correct legal action is to submit Form N with supporting medical evidence.
Finally, I will explain the legal implications of Encik Muniandi deliberately hiding the 30,000 ringgit consultancy fee in an offshore account. Encik Muniandi deliberately failed to declare 30,000 ringgit of consultancy income received in a foreign bank account. This income is taxable under Section 4A of the Income Tax Act 1967 because it is business income. By intentionally omitting this income, he may have committed an offence under Section 113(1) for submitting an incorrect tax return, and if fraud is proven, he may also be prosecuted under Section 114. As a result, LHDN may issue an additional assessment, impose penalties, and in serious cases prosecute him, which may lead to fines, imprisonment, or both. In conclusion, this is considered tax evasion, which is illegal and carries serious legal consequences.